days we're just hanging out, just living at home all through the month of December, and we thought to just hang out at the beach. So we're going to Landmark Beach now, and I don't even know that it's going to be fun. I've never been there. Have I? No, I've never been at Landmark Beach, so I'm just trying to see if it's going to be worth everything. It's a private beach in Lagos, so just thought to carry you guys along. If it's eventful, I'll capture moments. If it's not eventful, so be it. So see ya. I'm actually very tired and hungry. Hey, it says I'm fine. I'm too fine. I'm too fine. But the thing is more chicken now.
Color.
Sweetie. Sweetie boy.
You want that?
If you give me now, the breast milk will flow. See that part now, try babe now, babe. Because I know I'm not supposed to do that. See that part, it's juicy, fleshy. No, don't put it on me. Is that all?
You move around that big.
Obviously, I got now. I think it's not there. Try to begin now. I beg now. I beg now. Cut it and give me. No, I can't do that. I can't take what does not belong to me.
If you are born, you will not take it.
Wow, ma. Hi. Almost see drinks. It's like there's a show here today. Hello, mama. Hey, baby. Hey, baby. We are matching. Matching outfits. Are you sure this is the entrance?
Did you feel like apple, sir?
She's in the car. What's so special about Landmark? Can we take pictures there? Yeah. Let's go and take. We're in the beach. It's Quite serene, nice, cool, not cloudy like Oniru Beach. So just going around. I'm telling you, this is for the islanders. Even when we are not islanders, but the grab, it's quite cool. This is my view. Hi, baby. Oh girl, people will get papa.
Gotta find my way to you, even though you're next to me. No matter what I do, your heart is drifting out of reach. Head underwater, I'm swimming harder, trying to keep this alive. Gotta find my way to you, now that our love has capsized. Blah blah blah. There's Carol. There's a show today at the beach. Cavemen. So these are just trying to set the stage up. Nice. Careful. More the work that goes into these things, nobody even knows. Just look at everything, how it looks so rough for now. Look at the wood, everything. This they're trying to. Alpha. Hey, that's my profile. You guys, there is a short stage, Cavemen. That's the stage they're setting up. So it's just like a lot. The sun is in my eye. The work that goes into these things is crazy. Like, look at the sound system. If they are putting in so much work like this, I'm wondering how experienced sound system would have been. Because how many speakers are you? Look at
all these are sound effects.
Oh yeah, let's continue our journey. Imagine. Oh, I go to Niru. We go to Niru again.
Man, it's super. What's the show?
We have the Cavemen. The Cavemen. The Cavemen. So nice, the pictures. We can't wait.
Why am I still here and waiting for us to happen? 'Cause you never wanted everything I loved about you. I probably imagined, 'cause we never had it. Funny, it's been so long, and so there's nothing that's changed. And it was never your fault. Wish there was something to blame.
Don't you think this landmark is a bit boring? Don't you think it's a bit boring?
No, it's bubbling at night.
What?
It's bubbling at night.
So maybe you came way too early.
Yeah, you get mine now.
No, enter.
You do the enter. Eh? Why? You do life jacket.
What's my eye?
Okay, we just have us to rotate.
Something's in my eye. Mama, we came way too early. This is just around 2. So there's nothing much happening here. People are just a very few number of persons here. So it's not really like fun. Plus, maybe people here are just like posh. But we, as we are not posh. I don't know. I'm used to Oniru. I'm used to the crowd. I'm used to, people in the water. But here, see, people are not even in the water. Like, why would I come to beach and not enter the water? Oh, actually, I'm not entering the water, sure. But I feel like Oniru is more interesting. But let's see. Oh, hi, Daddy. Hi, baby. See this resemblance. Okay. Look at this one. Just woke up now. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Go find this thing for that side.
Where they have shot.
Is this umbrella there?
The same thing now.
How do you go there now? I'm trying to move to the other place. Please, it's closer to the stage. I feel like that will be better. So we are closer to those guys when they come. Cavemen. So we're trying. Let's go and try and get an umbrella. It's my flying hair. So I get an umbrella somewhere there. And just chill as well. I don't tire. Mado. So I want to walk to where we can get like a car. That's a little car that will just goes back and forth there. So I'm just trying to walk on. Because the sand, it's a lot. Walking on the sand is taking up a lot of energy. So let's go and see if we can get a car to commute us to the other end. Okay. I'm out of breath.
Offering.
I can say so.
Are you going down? You are going down. You are going down. You are happy back. I'm not tired. I'm not the worker again. Yay! I can get the people in the room. Don't worry. Oh.
So does not use fuel, use what? Electricity, Abby?
That's nice.
Why am I still here and waiting for us to happen? 'Cause you never wanted everything I love about you. I probably imagined, 'cause we never had it. Stupid of me to think that you could ever be mine. Like a minute, I met you.
Imagine.
later.
Food has gone finally. We have chicken and chips with what's it again? What's it called? What's the other? Hot dog and corn. The way matches you are still looking at you. Like,
How will you be eating?
Everything I love about you, I probably imagine, 'cause we never had it.
give me the now. Yeah, I'm going to
Stupid of me to think that you could ever be mine. I could blame it on the drugs, but I'm so sick and tired of lying. And I wish I could think of you and not have to still feel everything you probably don't, but I still think it's real.
What?
Why am I still here?
Mama, I see Brazilian here.
To have
If I carry this one now, go cut them.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, we are going home now. We waited for the cavemen for a while and they were not forthcoming, so we just had to at this moment. Where's baby? I'm up plus the court that was close to the water where we were lying. The cold was crazy, so we just had to leave. It's just 7:30 sharp. What is it? Oh, the kites. Oh, not I can see them. Anyways, this is to the end of this particular vlog. And I really hope you enjoyed it, even though it's just like here and there. But anyways, so it's just here and there. I know, but just take it as it is. So don't forget to turn on post notifications for other fun fun vlogs. And don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, every good stuff. Bye. Ah, look at this. Oh my god, this is so fine. Oh, see Zenith Bank. Oh, shit. Oh, this one is so fine. They've never done this before, right? I've not seen this before. This one I go so far. I've not.
Guy, what's up? How you doing?
Here is it.
Yeah.
So fine. So fine. This Zenith Bank.
Oh, I don't know where they go.
Zenith Bank. Oh, so fine.
Don't consider Amaka there. I mean, Amaka there. Don't see them.
I'm just waiting for the roundabout. That is where the cocoa. That is where the designs of all designs.
Amaka na drink again.
The last part. That's where the bata of them is. Yeah, here we are. Here, oh my god, this is amazing. This is amazing, as usual.
Now, it will make me 2 years and never come back.
This is so nice. This is a roundabout. This is a roundabout. Wow. Unfortunately, we are not going across, so we are diverting.